Okay guys, I'm going to bring you into my new scrap room. As you can see, I got new shelving. And it's a much bigger room. We'll start on top up here. These are stadium containers from scrapbook.com. This one with the green envelopes that I got off of scrapbook.com are all of my stamps, and I got them alphabetized to make it easier for me. This one is all my hot foil plates. And this is all my dies that I got off of Temu. And I have them in categories. Makes it much easier for me. This shelf here has my Temu alphabet dies, my Stampin' Up! Stamps, my hot foil machine, and those are CDs with all my extra pictures from the past. This shelf down here has my Platinum 6, my Stampin' Up! Stamp border, and the bottom is my embossing machine and my embossing folders. Over here, I have my wood embellishments and my dog and some Stampin' Up! Stamps. This one is my art paste from Temu and my water machine for my paintbrushes. This shelf has my Nuvo drops, my Nuvo paste, my modeling paste, and my paints from Frank Garcia, if I could speak. This shelf has my Izine inks and my 3D stencils are in the back there. And then down here, I have my Creative Memories punch, some extra pens, and all my dies that I cut out from my Temu. I got them in categories in there. The bottom shelf down here has my inks from Tim Holtz and some extra stamps. These are scrapbooks I'm working on right now. This one has my metal stencils, and these two are my plastic stencils that I have categorized in both, and then my glitter and my brads. This shelf has everything to do my fight with breast cancer. I'm going to document all that. This one here has my selfie machine and printer to do pictures and extra paper. That is my organizer I got from Michaels that holds my washi tape, and it's not full. I don't have a lot of washi tape. And my foam tape. Over here, I have my punches, my sewing machine, my Martha Stewart, and my tab cutter, and I'm not sure what else is down there. What is this down here? Oh, my plate. That's what's down there. I forgot that was down there. And then over there is extra scrapbooks that I'm also working on. Then I'll slowly bring you up. This container over here has all of my stickers for alphabets, and they're in envelopes. The first container here has all of my paper pads, and then the next one has my specialty papers, which are like mirror paper, and then I have my glitter paper, my acetate, my vellum, and then what is this one? Yeah, that's my acetate. And then these ones are backgrounds that I've done with my brushes that I plan on using. And there's also some papers from my grandkids finger painting their hands on paper for me. My white cardstock, my colored cardstock. This one is all my kits I bought from the Kit Club. And I got the embellishment set with it so I can do that up. Then I have my Minte paper, my Pink Fresh Studio, my Gnome paper, pets, simple stories, and then I broke the rest up into categories. I have spring, summer, fall, winter, and Christmas. And up on top, I just have some decorations and a painting my cousin did for me, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to slowly bring you around here. And we're going to bring you down because I'm going to start on the floor here. This orange bag has got all my papers for Christmas to do my December daily and my Christmas pictures from my scrapbook. Down in this one, I have all my embellishments separated by categories. I have objects, travel, flowers, COVID, and sports, and animals for the zoo. This one has got a bunch of embellishments in colors, and I use my label maker to make labels for all of them. This one has my gold leaf paper and some extra embellishments up here. And this one has some gnome stuff and my stuff to do my granddaughter's scrapbook I did for the princess ball she went to, and I need to keep those there so I can do some pages for myself. And we got a heck of a storm forming out here. It's snowing to beat heck. Over here, I have my stencils to make lines to journal on, some markers. Then I have some extra embellishments that I use quite a lot. And I just put them up here so they're easier to grab. Here I have my mini die cutting machine, and this I got off of Temu to organize some of my tools, and it spins around. Then I got this one off of Temu to put my most used tools in there, and it makes it so much easier for me to just grab there instead of spinning that around. Then I have my pens and my gel pens, my pens, and my markers there. Then these clear containers I got out of the Dollar Tree, and I got enough to do all my colors of enamel dots, and I use my label maker to mark it so it's easy to grab at. My ATG gun, and then up here I have my phone to back up pictures. Some extra vellum is up there, my paper towels. Then on the bottom shelf I have my label maker, my Tim Holtz crayons, and some gel pens, and my Cricut cutter, and then my Razcog. On the bottom one I have my colored pencils, some paints, my Crocodile. On the next shelf I have my Stampin' Up! Pastel chalks, my heat gun, my brush hose, flock, and my gessos, and some extra glue down there that I haven't opened up yet. This shelf is all my tape, my glue, and my glue dots. All that's right here, so it makes it easy to grab at. Then I'm going to bring you over here. And this cart here I got at a citywide garage sale, and it was at a school. And it works perfect to separate my colors of my cardstock. I love that machine thing. This is a bucket with my paintbrushes, my specialty scissors, and all of my inks to splatter. This container here, I'm trying to get all the embellishments out of there so I can get rid of it. I don't like it anymore. But it has a bunch of embellishments in there. Down here is all my embroidery stuff. I don't do that much anymore. We'll start down here. This is my powder to make my own paste and my watercolors. And for some reason, this drawer is not opening right. This is my embossing powders. This one is ribbon, my bottle caps, my paper clips. What is this? I didn't even know I had this in there. Oh, that's my other stuff. Okay. This is my mica powders, some glitter, some inks, and my gilding flakes. Just drop something there. This is my Creative Memories circle cutter and a punch. This drawer has my foil quill and some wax paper and cling paper. This one has my perfect pearls and my foils for my hot foil machine. And these next three drawers, I have all my scraps divided by colors. And I have them in envelopes I got from Temu. And then here is all my packaged page kits ready to go. I just need to sit down and start working on them. Here, this is a container I got off of from Michael's about 10, 12 years ago now. So I don't know if you can even get it anymore. This one has all my glitters in here. Extra glitter. And then this is my machine to do the Polaroid Instaminis. I haven't used that in a while. I need to use that again. My daubers are down here. This drawer has dies of animals. This one has my dies for arrows and shapes. This one is activities we do. This one is background ones, and my gnome one does not belong in there. That shouldn't be in there. This is sports, and this one is just shapes, again. This one has some embellishments in it, and this one also. And this one has all my 12 by 12 sticker sheets from all the kits I bought. I just put all of them in here so I have them in one spot so I don't lose them. My milk paints and some more of my stickles. My copy machine. And then I got this stand from Temu. And it's all of my embellishments. I have them in categories in an alphabetical order, so I can grab at those when I need them to do my page kits. This is a stand I got from Michael's also to hold my Cricut. And then this is why I've been buying so much paper. All of these are full of pictures to do. This photo box is full of pictures to do, and this is full of pictures to do. So there's a reason I bought so much paper recently. My cords to plug in my Cricut, my vinyl for my Cricut. This is my foil, my regular foil, some colored vellum that I haven't used yet, and smaller paper pads down here, and this one has some punches that I couldn't fit in my other. And then on the side of it, I got this container also off of Temu, and it's got my 6x8 papers, and they're organized in categories. So when I want to use them, I can get at them. And then there's another shelf that I have all my done scrapbooks in. And those are scrapbook pages I need to get into an album. Need to start working on that too. And this is my closet. The shelf has some yarn, my wood stamps, my sprays, my glue sprays, and then the rest are just empty boxes and photo album down there. These are some extra scrapbooks that I got on clearance sale, and I stockpiled on them because I'm going to need them. This plastic container, this drawer, I hold my plastic baggies to do my page kits, and these two have my extra sheets to do in scrapbook layouts or books. And then up here, I have Christmas embellishments, and then boxes for some of my supplies in here. And this is my new room. I hope you like the tour. And there's my baby girl and my baby boy. I hope you enjoyed my room tour. I've been promising it for quite a while, and I've been working on it so hard. Thank you for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. Talk to you soon.